This is the Securikey Mini Vault 2 with hopper deposit. This unit comes electronic locking, although key locking options are available. As with all the Securikey Mini Vault range, the door is constructed from 8mm solid steel plate, and the body is made from 4mm solid steel plate. The Mini Vault 2, fitted with front-loading hopper, is ideal for the depositing of larger and bulkier items, such as cash bags, deposit capsules, wallets, and even envelopes. An internal baffle prevents items from being fished back once a deposit has been made.